Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you the power of a 2-minute hotspot tidy. If you're new here, my name is Kathelle and I am a stay-at-home mum of 4, and here on this channel we talk about making a creative home simple. This corner of our house catches all sorts of stuff, especially the kids' toys and hair things, because my wee girl's hair drawer is in here. And here was a complete disaster a few minutes ago, and I think you'll be surprised at how fast you can tidy it up. I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Hi, if you're new here, I'm Kathelle. I am a mum of 4.